Hello everyone, welcome back to Zaiqa World. We're here again today. However, today we're doing something quite different. We're bringing you a sweet dish, something from the Nawabs, the Muslim emperors. But I'm going to get Samina, our chef Samina, to tell you a little bit more about it because my history is not very great at all. So let's go over to Samina. Hello Samina.
Hello Sarah, how are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
Okay, hello viewers, how are you? I hope you are nice and well. Today's recipe is Shahi Tukra.
Yeah, so Shahi means like king, right? Shahi means like from the king's royal.
Royal, that's right, yeah.
So, okay, so
and Tukra means bites.
Pieces or bites?
Bites, yeah.
Okay, so this is very interesting. It's royal pieces or royal bites? It's a very interesting concept.
Royal bites.
Royal bites. Okay, so it's a very interesting concept. And what are we going to use? Are you going to run us through the ingredients today?
Yeah, okay.
Go for it.
Very interesting dish, very delicious. Okay, I'm gonna tell you ingredient first and then we start with the recipe.
Absolutely.
We have about 6 pieces of bread. It's a normal bread. You can use any other bread if you like, but you know, the basic recipe, we use this basic bread. You know, we have this bread at home all the time. I'm gonna garnish it with the pineapple. We have pineapple, tin pineapple. We have some chunks of tin pineapple. We have 1 cup of sugar. We have clarified ghee, clarified butter, which is ghee. It's about 1.5 cup of ghee. I've got 1 cup of condensed milk. I've got some cardamoms, green cardamoms. I've got some rose water here, and I have some saffron, which is soaked in warm water, and it's about a tablespoon. I've got some water here, some oil here, and I've got some almonds, and I've got some pistachios. So I'm gonna start my recipe now. And sorry, I've got some these leaves as well. These are silver leaves, and
edible silver leaves. Amazing.
That's right.
Stuff, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, because it's royal.
Yeah, of course. It's what the kings and queens of the Mughal Empire, the Muslim Empire.
That's right.
They used to eat. So this is sort of passed down from their generation. So let's start cooking. What are we doing?
Okay.
What am I doing more like?
Okay. Shall we move these things away from here and then we start?
That's
okay.
fine.
I want you to chop my nuts first.
Okay.
Your job, difficult job.
Okay. Absolutely.
And then I'll tell you to peel some cardamoms. Okay.
Okay. And
so, give me cardamoms. I peel cardamoms, and you just chop pistachios and almonds.
That's fine.
Can you manage?
What's the pieces that you want to do?
Lengthwise.
Just lengthwise.
Lengthwise.
Yeah? So like that?
Yeah. You want me to help you?
No, I can do it.
Okay.
I'm sure I can do it. If my fingers chop in the process.
You can use scissors as well. If you like, you can use scissors.
No, I think that's better. If I'd use scissors, I'm definitely going to chop my hands off.
Is it?
Yeah. I think you should do this. You know that.
Okay, just leave it. Just leave it, Sarah.
Do you want like small pieces or like really small pieces or?
Lengthwise, little thin. I don't want very big pieces.
Okay.
Sarah, can you pass me a spoon, please?
Yes, of course I can.
And spatula as well, please.
There you go.
Thank you.
No worries.
Okay.
Yeah. So in the Mughal times, they used to use nuts and like ghee and things like this because this wasn't very like you couldn't really. Let's say the poorer people, they couldn't really afford to have nuts and even ghee and things like, I don't know, cream and things like this, isn't it? So this is more their kind of nuts and stuff like this.
That's right. But Sarah, this food is not it's festive food. It's not
is it?
everyday food. People eat this.
So this is like something like that someone would make for Eid,
Ramadan, Eid,
Christmas Eve,
weddings.
Okay. Okay.
So I'm gonna add my ghee into the pan. When it's Mughal, they don't count calories, so just forget about calories.
Oh, did they not count calories?
No.
They just ate and ate and ate.
No, they just eat.
So they were very like big people. And unhealthy people, I guess.
Unhealthy people, that's right. Okay. So Sarah, as my oil ghee is heating up. I just want you to
I've
give
tried to do it as much as I can.
Okay, no problem. She's learning.
What would you like me to do with shall I do all of them?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Just to keep Sarah busy. Okay, Sarah, can you give me a... Okay, it's here. You can cut any shape. You can cut it in triangle. Traditionally, we cut it in triangle. I'm gonna cut round. Entirely up to you. Which shape you like, no problem. I tried almost all shapes.
So you just use a cookie cutter and you can use like hearts as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Or flowers or hearts or like, I really like the girly shapes, like they've got crowns, they've got shoes. I really like those shapes. That's the shapes that I use when I'm making stuff. I use like the crowns. I've got the crown at home. Good. I've got the high heel shoe.
Good. I'm not gonna waste it. I'll use this for decoration. So
because you hate wasting food, don't you?
That's right. Yeah.
But that's good. You should never waste food. It's very bad.
You can keep it and you can make breadcrumb with it.
Ah, yes, you can. That's a good idea. Okay.
All my bread is cut now.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna fry it.
So what are we doing? Are we frying? We're frying the piece of bread in the ghee. No, sorry, I missed something. Did you put oil in there?
No, I didn't.
So you just put ghee in there.
Ghee, that's right. But you can add little oil.
Okay.
If I run out with the ghee,
and you're just gonna fry that in ghee.
That's right. If I run out with ghee, I will use oil.
Can
otherwise,
you do the same
I don't
thing
need
with butter?
Yeah, you can do, but butter burn easily.
Yeah.
So it's good
to do it in clarified.
That's right.
Okay.
Can you pass me a tongue, please?
Yes. Okay.
Okay. The secret is just heat it on the low flame. Otherwise, it will burn and all the taste will be ruined. So just on slow fire. Very easy to make. It's similar to...
It is. I mean, you don't use a lot of ingredients for it either, so it seems very, very simple and easy to do.
It's very easy, Sarah.
Except I'd get someone to help you chop the nuts.
If someone's coming in the house and you don't have anything, you always have bread and you always have milk at home. So it's very easy. Sorted. Dessert sorted. Condensed milk you always have in kitchen cupboard.
Yeah, I always use it for my tea. So
you are a very unhealthy person.
I know,
Sarah.
it's so unhealthy, but I don't use too much of it. I mix it with normal milk. But I love the taste of it. I don't put any sugar in my tea, but I love the taste of having tea like that. A friend of mine, when we were smaller, my mum used to take. They were very good friends, family friends. They used to go there and they used to do that. So they never used to drink milk in their tea. They used to, the parents, they always used to have condensed milk. And since then I've got the taste for it.
Okay, while my bread is browning, I want it nice golden brown. I'm gonna make sugar syrup, which I'm gonna dip my bread in. So I'm gonna take about 1 cup of sugar and about half cup of water. Sarah, pass me water, please. It's about...
So you're making like a sugar syrup?
That's right, yeah. It's a half cup of water.
And this one you got to be very careful of. You can't overheat this because it can burn, isn't it, really quickly?
That's right. My bread is turning very nicely crispy.
I can smell the butter as well. It's beautiful.
It's nice. Look, it's nice golden brown. I like the golden color. If you can see, it's frying equally.
It's literally the color of your top, your dress.
That's right. Yeah. And
they're matching.
I don't want your dress color, okay?
No, that's what we don't want to aim for this dress color. This is nearly done. What would you like me to do afterwards?
Pistachio, please.
You want me to do the same thing with pistachios?
That's right, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna add some of this cardamom. I like the skin as well, so I'm gonna put some skin. You can use powdered cardamom, but I like seeds. I don't know why.
A lot of people don't like the seeds because they don't like the biting into the seed.
That's right, yeah.
Well, I don't mind them either.
I'm gonna add some saffron.
And this one you soaked in water previously.
That's right.
Saffron is apparently meant to be more expensive than gold. Is that true?
That's right. They say about 400 flowers give you 1 gram of saffron.
Wow, 400 flowers.
That's right. Yeah, that's
But
why
you
it's
only need
expensive.
literally like a few strands to get that total smell, isn't it?
Yeah, it's the most expensive spice. Okay, as you can see, my bread is very nice and golden brown.
That looks so crispy. That looks so nice. I'm definitely making this when I go home.
Very easy to make, Sarah.
Because I think this is like my kind of comfort food. I would love to eat this as comfort food. This is not for my family, this is for me. This is like my kind of food. Just bread, butter, creaminess, sugar, sorted.
I've got some leftover bread. I'll use it for decoration, so I just don't want to waste it.
Okay.
I'm just gonna fry it. Okay. All the sugar in the syrup is melted.
Yeah.
I don't want it too thick.
Yeah, and it thickens up, isn't it? As it heats, as it reduces, it gets thicker and thicker and thicker, doesn't it?
That's right. So I'm gonna turn it off, and I'm gonna add some little bit of rose water.
Wow.
Just
okay.
a drop.
So we've got saffron and rose water, and the smells are proper coming through. I can actually really smell them. It smells really good.
It's nice. Okay. Wow. Nice color.
Yeah, beautiful.
And the smell of clarified ghee.
Yeah,
I love the smell of.
Like I said, it smells with the saffron and the rose water. You can smell that too. It smells so good.
It's a royal kitchen today.
It is. I can understand now why it's like a nawabi. It's funny how we associate these kind of smells with like, you know, like a rich kind of feeling. Butter and sugars and rose water and saffron,
That's right.
you know?
Very expensive.
Yeah.
For that time, I think now it's easily available to everyone. Very popular in Asia, equally popular in Pakistan, and equally popular in India.
Oh, yeah, because the Mughals were from everywhere, weren't they? The Mughals were in when India and Pakistan was all one. So right. From that time, so I guess it would be very popular everywhere.
That's right.
So what would be the English equivalent of calling this? You could say this is a slight sort of bread
and
butter,
pudding.
bread and butter
right.
type thing.
Yeah. But bread and butter pudding you bake.
This one you don't.
No,
okay.
this one you don't. Okay, the leftover, because I have leftover ghee. I'm gonna fry these.
And you're gonna find something to do with them.
I have some oil with me as well. If I run out with the ghee, I'll use oil, but I don't think I need oil.
No, I think we're nearly done.
Yeah. So my syrup is ready. I'm gonna remove this from here. Syrup is ready and my bread is ready as well. So I'm gonna make some syrup with it.
This is going good. I'm nearly done, by the way. Do you need me to do anything else afterwards?
I'll tell you after. Wait.
It's okay. I don't mind just relaxing now.
You want to relax? What have you done?
This is since the beginning of when we started cooking. I've just been doing just literally sitting here
Because she didn't do anything today, so she's gonna clean all the kitchen after. That's her job.
It's not easy for some. Very hard life. Okay, this is, I think, done. Yeah?
Yeah, it's done, but...
But what? You're not happy with it? Obviously! Okay. Do you want to try?
Let me do this way. No, it's very crispy for this. I think it's okay because I don't want to do it.
I feel a bit bad now. You're always making me feel bad.
I think I need some oil, Sarah.
You need some oil?
Yes, please.
I've got some oil in that little bowl
Yeah,
there.
yeah, that's the one I want.
There you go.
So extra pieces I'm frying in oil. If you pass me, I think some milk, please, Sarah. Okay. I'm gonna add about 3 cups of milk.
So do we wait for this to boil over? Are you going to boil this to make it thicker, the milk?
Yes, please. It's going to be thick, about the half. We just need, we reduce it to half.
Okay.
But you know, if you want to do something, you know, you don't have time and you want to do it, your guests are coming and then you can add cream or you can add condensed milk. Today's recipe I'm gonna use condensed milk because Sarah doesn't have any patience. She wants to eat it and as soon as possible, isn't it?
Yeah. What would you eat this with, by the way? Would you be able to have this like with a cup of tea?
Yes, with a cup of tea, kava, you know, green tea.
Yeah, no green tea. We have like proper like tea.
Yeah, proper tea.
Yeah. I'm not a health freak. I'm not health conscious at all. I think you're very health conscious. I'm not. Okay, I think these are done.
Is that done? Okay.
Yeah.
You can remove extra things if you want.
I think that's fine. Okay, so what are we doing now?
Keep stirring it. We want to reduce it to half.
I think you just wanted to keep me occupied by keeping like my hands moving somewhere today. First you wanted me to stand there and just chop, now you just want me to stand there stirring this.
Yeah, to keep you busy. So you speak less.
What are you trying to say? Are you trying to say I talk too much?
Yeah, I don't want to say, but...
I don't think I talk too much. I think I talk an even amount. I could talk a lot.
You are talking a lot.
Am I? Okay, so basically you're waiting for this to thicken right now, yeah?
Yeah, that's right. And Sarah, while it's getting cooked, I'm gonna add some crushed cardamom which I saved.
Okay.
I'm gonna add the saffron.
Yeah,
you know?
nice.
Don't worry about the...
Okay, can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
Saffron. Now, why did you put the strands in water?
So it releases its color.
But if you put saffron just like that, isn't it going to do the same thing?
No, it will do, but that's the quicker way to do it.
Ah, okay.
And it will give you more color by soaking in the water, warm water. So,
interesting. Because some people just put the strands in, that's it. But you put it in water, so I just wanted to know, why did you do it like that?
Yeah, it's okay if you know, both
ways are okay.
Both are okay.
Okay.
So my bread is done.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just taking this out. I'm gonna remove this from here. And Sarah, you can bring the pan here.
I was gonna say, yeah, that's the faster one, yeah?
Yeah. And you can put it back, please. Sarah, keep her occupied.
Okay, so we've got condensed milk here, and we've got some almonds.
Secret is keep stirring. Otherwise, it will burn and it will spoil the whole dish.
You mean it will like I get okay. It's just milk, condensed. No, let me think. It's milk, saffron, cardamom.
That's right.
And rose water in there.
I didn't add rose water yet, but I'm gonna do after. Okay. And just.
So you did add rose water, no?
I have rose water, but I didn't use it.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna put some nuts in the milk.
Nice.
To make nuts soft and it will be more flavor.
Yeah.
Keep stirring it.
Yeah.
Actually, we are making rabdi. It's similar to rabdi.
What's rabdi?
Rabdi is reduced milk. It's another dessert or delicacy.
Okay. You have to show me how to make it one day.
Yeah,
I've actually heard this a lot.
Yeah.
I started watching a lot of Pakistani dramas, and in there they said rabdi once, and I was like, what is
it's
rabdi?
a reduced milk. You reduce the milk to a...
I thought it was revri.
No.
You know those little things that you eat? I thought you just don't know how to say it.
Revri is something else.
Okay.
Okay, Sarah, while it's cooking, I want to give you a job. Okay.
Go for it.
Can you bring that dish and I show you how to decorate a platter?
Okay.
There should be a presentation for everything, you know, when you eat something should be presentable.
Okay. What is this?
Should look nice to eyes. To keep Sarah occupied, I'm going to show her. These are, I don't have roses in my garden, and so I made some beetroot roses. I'm just gonna put 2 roses here, and I'm making fruity Shahi Tukra today. So I have some chunks of pineapple.
Put them all the way
Yeah,
around,
please do it. Thank you.
No worries. You just want it like a little bit all the way around, yeah?
That's
like,
right.
In a bit of
Yeah.
space.
Finish all,
Okay.
almost all. The
This
leftover
kind of
we
stuff
can
I like
decorate.
doing.
Normally you make food and you just put in a bowl and just serve it. It won't look as nice.
Oddly enough, I don't. I actually do make an effort when I'm serving the food.
That's
with
good.
salads and things. I like to. I think it looks more edible. Like you want to eat it more. That's why when you go to a restaurant, that's why do so many people want to eat in a restaurant? Because of the way it's done, the presentation, everything.
That's right.
Otherwise, you can just eat at home. So, I guess that's the perks.
That's good. Okay, while it's cooking, Sarah, I want to, you know, my bread, I just want to dip it in. I just want to dip it in sugar syrup. It's all done.
Okay.
Can you bring me a platter, please? If there is a spare plate? Not yet, Sarah.
Okay.
Not yet, because I'm going to decorate it, and you can put some on top as well.
Okay.
So,
what have you done with these now? I'm confused. I missed about the decorating.
okay, Sarah, you know the sugar syrup I made earlier?
Yeah. So you've dipped them in the sugar syrup.
That's
yeah?
right.
Ah, okay.
Give it more sweet flavor.
Okay.
You can either stuff it with some nuts and sandwich it. There's so many variations, so many ways of making. It's entirely up to you what you want to make.
So this will give it that extra sweet. Oh, I can't wait to eat this. I'm lucky. I just get to eat all this delicious food. Can you say like my pineapple decoration and see if it's okay?
Yeah, it's nice. Perfect.
According to your taste.
Perfect. At least she done something.
I did a lot. I chopped the nuts. I did this. That's it really. I stirred the milk. So this is just bubbling away, by the way.
Yeah, it's
Which
reducing.
is basically
Yeah.
just getting thicker and thicker. Okay. Cool.
There shouldn't be cream on top.
Would you like
Keep
to
stirring
move,
it.
Would you like to move the syrup stuff here so that I can do that while you
Yeah,
use
no
it?
problem.
Because I think that might make your life a little bit easier as well.
Okay.
Can I have that one as well then?
Yeah.
Perfect.
She's really helping. She knew she will be in trouble.
I'm trying. Plus, it looks nice. I want to eat it. Can I have the tongue, please? Thank you. This is so crispy.
Okay,
I can't wait to cut into that.
I think it's thick enough. I'm gonna add my condensed milk in it. I'm not gonna use all of it because we already dip our bread in sugar, so I'm adding little bit just to give it sweetness and
Please,
thickness.
we were talking about this. I think we should mention about condensed milk and sweetened condensed milk and unsweetened condensed milk.
That's right.
So just be careful. Like for sweetened condensed milk, you don't use too much because then you've got a lot of sugar here, so you might end up making the dish too sweet. Or vice versa. If you haven't got any sugar in it, then you want to add the sugar. And this is nearly done.
Okay.
Such gooey stuff. It's nice.
My syrup is ready. I'm gonna add some rose water in it.
I can smell that. Smells really good.
I'm gonna turn it off. Gonna pour this in the dish.
Okay.
It's all ready.
Yeah. Okay. It's like the base of a ras malai, isn't it?
Yeah, that's right.
Because it smells like it. It's like a really ras malai kind of smell coming through.
So many of Asian desserts start with this kind of syrup.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I want to decorate it. I have no idea what I'm going to do here. You want me to put it like, yeah. If you give me another one, please, Sarah.
The big piece?
Yes. Give me, please.
There you go. There you go.
Give me, please. A better one you have?
Nope.
Okay.
This is about it now.
Okay.
There you
Give me
go.
that. That's it.
Wow.
Okay. So I'm gonna add some of this condensed milk on top. Oh, there's the silver leaves.
Yes, we have silver leaves. So this is what
Can you
makes the
pass me a
dish
tissue,
nawabi
please?
now.
Okay, this is a way of doing it,
I've never worked with silver leaves before.
is it?
No, it's the first time I'm even attempting to look at them like this. I've seen them on food, but I've never worked with them.
Oh, it's a tricky bit, but I'm gonna try. It needs little bit of practice.
So tell me what silver leaves, are they actually real silver?
Yeah, they said.
Oh. And are they sugared?
Sugared? No,
So how can you eat them then?
they're flavorless. They have gold leaves and they have silver leaves.
So how can you eat it? How can you eat silver?
Just
and
hold
gold?
it for a second, please. Don't touch it. I'm gonna flip it. To make it royal, I have to.
That's so cool. So you can do this with gold as well, right? If someone
Yeah.
wants if someone's got very expensive taste, then you can actually get gold ones.
Yeah, gold is too expensive, and we have. We normally use silver one. Okay, so I think I'm gonna put some more.
That looks so cute, like delicious. It's beautiful.
Thank you, Sarah. Little bit more condensed milk.
Mm-hmm. It looks really good. Really, really good.
Oh, thank you. Little bit of, make it fruity.
So is there other things instead of pineapples that people don't have a taste of pineapples you can put in there?
Yeah.
Like
all type of fruit.
you can put any kind of fruit.
You can put.
Because you're not really putting the fruit in there. You're just doing it for decoration purposes, aren't you?
Yeah, but it's just variation. The original recipe doesn't have any
Fruit in it.
No. So I think it's all done.
Wow, amazing. Really, really amazing. I'm gonna seriously like dig in.
So Sarah, please, if you remove these things, I'm gonna transfer this dish.
Yep.
Be careful with silver leaves.
Pop this all on the side. Beautiful.
I hope you like it and
really,
you know how to
really
decorate your
amazing.
dish.
Very amazing.
Thank you, Sarah.
I think we should just move it here so that we can get it proper in shot.
That's right.
Like that. That looks amazing, guys. I'm
Thank
really
you.
literally gonna get a knife and fork and I'm gonna actually dig in. I might not even use a knife and fork. I might just use a spoon and go straight in. I hope you guys do enjoy making this dish. I know I'm gonna enjoy eating it, definitely. I don't think she's gonna eat it, so I think this is all for me. But do keep watching us, guys. Again, we're on Facebook, we're on Twitter, we're on Instagram, we're all over social media. We've got bigger and better things coming for you. Do watch this recipe, do make it at home as well, and we will see you very soon again with our hot chef Samina. Take care, guys. Bye bye.
Bye bye.